Guys, I'm the Dollar Sportsman. I am here with Kip, with Airguns of Arizona, and Mini Kip. And Kip is just hooking me up with a whole bunch of help with my gauntlet. I had a little air leak that I couldn't control myself. I made a video on how to fix some of those previously. And when I couldn't do it, I come to Airguns of Arizona and they help me out. So Kip, thank you very much for the help.
You bet.
I really appreciate it. I appreciate what you guys are doing. I'm excited for Extreme Benchrest, which is coming up next week. You guys will see Kip and all these folks out, some of the best air guns and air gunners in the industry.
Yeah.
You should watch it. You excited?
Oh yeah. Well, we are and we aren't. It's a lot of work for all of us, but you know what? We are so excited to see the enjoyment in everybody's eyes and how much fun everybody's having. It's about the competitors. That's what the EBR is about.
Excellent. You guys excited? I hope you are. Keep watching. We'll be there. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you.
You bet.